Okay. Next, we have here your OpenCV. OpenCV is another library in Python, which is also uh, it is also being used for image processing, like computer vision and machine learning. Okay. Again, it will allow you to work with images and videos. Okay. Now, to install, just like what you have done your in your pillow, right? You can also install OpenCV by at least pip install OpenCV-Python, right? So, yun po. Again, on my end, the OpenCV Python is already, or OpenCV is already installed. Okay. Now, if you need additional functionalities like the GUI support, you can also install another part or another library of this OpenCV, which is OpenCV. Again, pip install OpenCV-Python-headless. Okay? Okay. Sige. Now, kapag na-install niyo yan, so okay tayo, naka-install niyo yan. Ayan. So, nakapag-install na ako ng OpenCV. Assume na nakapag-install tayo ng OpenCV. Now, what are the key features of OpenCV? You can read, write, and display images. Again, you can also modify images. Anong modifications ang possible na pwedeng gawin? Resize, crop, rotate, filter. Okay? With your OpenCV, these are being used for face and object detection, edge and shape detection, as well as for video processing. Okay? Now, how do we read and show an image? So, doon na lang tayo sa ating ito. So, let me just erase this one. Burahin ko na lang yung buong yan. Tapos, wala tayo dito. So, again, import CV2. Okay? We'll import the CV2 library. Then, on how to load an image is img is equals to CV2 that imread or image read. Then, our sample image. Again, we will be using the same image that we have used on our or with the pillow, right? So sample underscore image dot jpg. Now to show this image, okay? So to show your image, so cv2 dot imshow then image comma img. Okay? Then cv2 dot wait key, okay, spans 0. Okay. Then cv2 dot destroy what? Ay, bakit nandun lahat? cv2. This should be cv2. cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay. This is to close the window after closing or after mag-press. Okay, after nito mag-execute yung wait key. Okay? Si wait key kasi it is being used to wait for any key to be pressed for your image to close. Okay? Now, ano si IMRead? IMRead, it loads an image from a file. So, ang kanyang syntax is yun nga, IMRead, then the file name, and the flags. Okay, what are the different flags? So, we have here yung ating IMRead color. By default, it loads a color image which ignores a transparency. Okay, CB2 IMRead grayscale, which loads a grayscale image. IMRead unchanged, which loads an image as is, including the alpha if available. Okay, ano yung IM show? The IM show function is used to show an image in a window. Ang kanyang syntax, you have your IM show, then the window name, right? Check natin yung mamaya, then you have your image. Okay? Now, the wait key, okay? This function in OpenCV will at least make you wait for a key press before closing an image window. Okay? How it works? First, it pauses the execution of the script until a key is pressed. Then the argument inside wait key represents the delay time in milliseconds before automatically being closed. So ano naman po si destroy all windows? Destroy all windows is a function under your CB2, okay? In OpenCV, which closes all OpenCV windows that were opened using the CB2.im show. So ito po yung at least two types of destroy all windows or destroy window. Okay, why is it needed? Okay, why do we need destroy all windows? Okay, when you display an image using the CB2IM show, a new window will appear, okay, which we will check later on. Then, if you don't close it properly, the window will remain open and may cause issues. This CB2, okay, the CB2 destroy all windows or the destroy all windows function will ensure that all OpenCV created windows are closed cleanly. Okay, so let us run our program. So save unterminated string. Sorry. So save F5. Okay, so kung makikita nyo, ito yung ating, wait lang So this is the image, okay, na ginamit natin. Check lang natin sa sample image kung naka-rotate ba talaga. Mukhang ito yata kasi kanina yung rotated na image ko, then I have saved it. So, heto nga siya. So, si rotated image ko na sinave natin. So, yun yun. So, heto siya. Then, ayan. Now, kung makikita nyo, this is the window name. Kung makikita nyo, heto yun. Close natin yan. Halimbawa, image ito. Okay, save. F5. Ayan. This is the window name. Okay? Window name, image ito. Okay? So again, ito yung window name. Ito yon. Then ano tong image na to? This is actually, ito yon. Yung ni-read nating image. Okay? Yan yung ni-read nating image. Now, you have your wait key, which is a 0 milliseconds. Then, the destroy all window, kapag clinic ko itong enter, okay, mag-close po siya. So, enter yung clinic ko doon. Now, run ko ulit. Halimbawa, any key that I will, kahit halimbawa Q or any letters in my keyboard, may escape na ganyan, magko-close po yan. Okay? So, that's your destroy all windows. Now, we can also convert our image, okay, to again, to a grayscale, okay? So, yung mga CVT color or yung CVT color na function ang gagamitin natin. So, halimbawa, we want it to be gray. So, gray is equals to CV2 dot CVT color. Okay, we will be dealing with the color now. Now, you have the image data, which is, ito ngayon yung IMG, comma, then CV2 color underscore BGR to gray. Okay? So, CV2 I am show. Again, palitan natin ito. Gawin natin ito yung grayscale image ninyo. Grayscale image ito. Okay? Para at least nakikita natin. Then, what is the image that we will be opening or we will be showing is actually heto na po yun. Okay, si gray. Okay, kaya gray ang ilalagay natin dyan. Okay, then save, F5, or run. Ito po ngayon yun. Okay, grayscale image ito. So, yun. Tapos, naka-grayscale. Okay, now, you might, uh, you might ask, ano po yung mga, ano po yung CVT color? CVT color is a function that we make use or that we use to convert an image from one color space to another. In this case, the syntax will be CVT color, then the source, okay, the source image, then the code. Ano po yung mga different color space conversions natin? For basic color conversion, okay, we can make use of the following conversion code. Ito nga yung una nating ginamit, the BGR to gray or a blue, green, red scale to a gray scale. You have your gray scale to a BGR. Then you have, meron yata tayo dito. Sige, try lang natin yan. At, at least meron yata akong na-convert kanina. Converted. Ito. Yan. Try naman natin itong converted image na to. Converted image.jpg. Okay? So, meron tayong CVT. Ito. Palitan ko lang ito. Gawin natin itong converted image JPEG. Okay? So, converted image. Now, CVT color, ang color code niya should be gray to BGR. Gray to BGR. Okay? So, kasi gusto natin siya maging ano to, in a blue, green, red na scale. So, save, F5, save, may naka-open yata ako, wait lang. Invalid, wait lang, may i-address kasi tayong error. So, heto. Invalid number of channels in input image. Invalid. SCN, bakit may error tayo? Wait lang. Hmm. Gray to BGR. Uh, wait lang. Sige. Might be because yung gamit nating because your color or the CB2 color BGR, color gray to BGR is used when converting grayscale image, okay, to a three channel which is BGR nga. However, the input, yung in-input natin might already, dahil nga converted lang ito ng which color natin. So, wait lang. Check lang tayo ng image, image in grayscale. Hanap lang ako ng image na naka-grayscale. No? Check lang natin. So, 3 grayscale. Uh, check lang natin. Download 3. Wait lang. Hindi kaya ito na-save. Should be on the 313. 3 grayscale. Ayun. So, ito yung image natin. Try natin na lagay siya. 3 underscore grayscale. Save. Save. So, wait lang. Baka iba yung code na ginagamit lang. So, color gray to BGR converts from grayscale to BGR. Wait lang. Try natin bumalik sa ito, grayscale. Mag-load tayo, i-load muna natin siya as grayscale. So, Load natin siya as grayscale. So, CV2 dito, CV2.imread underscore grayscale. Okay. Then, save, run. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Una, why we are encountering the error is that let's check muna kung naloload talaga yung image. So, if img is none, halimbawa, is none, okay, we'll just basically print error, image not found, else, ito na yung pag-print nito, yeah, save, F5. Oh, image not found. Okay. Hindi daw makikita yung 3 grayscale JPEG. Next. Wait lang. Save F5. Ayun. So, na-load na natin si JPEG. So, create to BGR. So, let's try. So, ginawa natin itong practice tayo na dito. This is the BGR. So, natin kasi siyang i-load to be BGR. So, CVT color. Then, ito nga yun, yung image na yun. Then, CVT color gray 2 to BGR. BGR na ito. Okay? So, save. Run. Gray is not defined. Wait lang. Gray. Ito. BGR. F5. Okay. Ibig sabihin, ito na yan. Pero hindi niya ma-convert into a grayscale. So, tingnan lang natin kanina yung una natin, ng image. Yung converted image natin. Yung converted image. Ito ba yun? Wait lang. Converted underscore image. Converted underscore image dot JPEG. Save F5. So, ito yung grayscale natin. Grayscale image na ko. Wait lang. Hindi ito yun. Ito. So, wait. Okay. Ah, okay. Kasi, ah, yun, tama nga, no? Dahil converted image lang pala to kanina. Yan, converted image lang pala to. So, yan. Una, um, this image that we are trying to convert is either, okay, either grayscale, okay, or this color gray to BGR, okay, the OpenCV expands it to three channels only, but the pixel values remain the same. Okay? Now, meaning, anong ibig sabihin nito? Meaning the image will still appear in the shades of gray. Okay? Wherein the conversion only increases the number of channels, but it does not add any color information. So what are our possible solution? Our first solution will be to go with option one, wherein we will verify the channel expansion. Okay? Channel expansion. So paano yan? Or if it will still looks like a siguro gray pa rin. So dito, so try natin VGR that shape. Lagyan natin which will show the height width. Okay, check na natin. Save. Oh, wait. Ayun. So, grayscale nga yung kanyang image. Now, pwede naman natin siyang gawin. Ah, yung BGR na to, siguro colorize na lang natin. So, CV2, gawin natin siya. Is imbis na CVT color, apply color map tayo. Okay? See you on the third part. Okay, correct natin to sa third part.